Jeff Hansen, Window Warriors Forum. Check us out at windowcleaningwarriors.com. Today we're going to take a look at high-rise window cleaning, anchor points on a rooftop. Today I have a good advantage point to look at the rooftop. Now, if we're going to be doing high-rise window cleaning, you're going to be cleaning this strip of windows all the way down to the ground. It's like a 3-story building. It's got a sunken area, so probably 4 stories. There's no roof anchors on the building, which isn't a big deal if you can get your engineer, qualified person, to identify something additional structure that meets the same requirements. So you can see there are 2 anchor points noted. You'll see them. So these are identified as anchor points. That's an anchor symbol. You'll see 10 feet over, another anchor symbol. So what an engineer has done, there's more, has identified that that structural beam will hold 10,000 pounds because you need 5,000 pounds per connection point. So that beam in that area is going to reach those limits. One thing you can also see is directly in the middle of those 2 anchor symbols, you can see 2 steel bolts. So I would imagine there's going to be a cross beam right there. That is the strongest point on that beam right there. There's another structure support beam going across on that one. So, but a window cleaner can't make this decision. It has to be a qualified person. You have to meet the classification of that qualified person, which is usually a degree in engineering of some type or whatnot. So if we take a look at that, you look at those anchor points. So for window cleaning, you need 2 independent, cannot be connected to any other source, person, tagline for your bucket line, anything. So 2 independent lines per drop location. So if we're gonna connect 2 ropes to that area right here, you're gonna drop over the edge here and do a straight drop all the way down this building right here. So one thing that this building does not meet is the anchor point also has to be within 50 feet from the drop edge, from that parapet wall. So this clearly makes it. But now when we look, if we're dropping over the edge, if we're gonna drop over the edge on this far side here, over the side where we cannot see the windows, we're gonna go 50 feet back. 50 feet back is probably going to be more or less here. So what their intentions are is there's another beam right here that's kind of hidden from our view right now to use that. Well, that's probably 100 feet back. That's not within the OSHA recommendations or requirements because anchor points must be within 50 feet from the drop point edge parapet wall. That's just a kind of a quick, this little description of high-rise window cleaning, anchor points. You don't necessarily need dedicated permanent anchors, but you need a structure that an engineer or qualified person deems capable of supporting the same load requirements needed. And then also having 2 at one point to have 2 independent lines to work. Let's quick look at anchors, rooftop, high-rise window cleaning. It's out here on Window Warriors 4.